winter storm is unleashing chaos across the United States, creating dangerous and rapidly deteriorating conditions. Authorities are warning residents to stay vigilant and avoid venturing out as the storm intensifies. Upstate New York is seeing relentless snow in Syracuse, Oswego, Rochester, and surrounding areas, where streets and highways are disappearing under thick, relentless layers. Syracuse has been transformed into a frozen landscape. Sidewalks, streets, and vehicles are engulfed in swirling snow, while emergency vehicles battle the drifts to reach those in need. Officials continue to urge residents to remain indoors and avoid unnecessary travel, as this relentless winter storm shows no sign of letting up. Vehicles are stranded, plows are overwhelmed, and emergency crews are racing to reach those trapped. Scenes of chaos are unfolding as drivers struggle through slippery roads, blinding winds, and near-zero visibility. In an unusual and terrifying twist, lightning and thunder are cutting through the blizzard, while gusting winds push snow into powerful drifts, plunging communities into whiteout conditions. The combination signals a highly unstable and dangerous storm system, one that forecasters say could worsen in the coming hours. Lake-effect snow around Lake Ontario has triggered local avalanches, burying some towns under more than 2 feet of snow in less than a day. Roads have become icy traps, snarling traffic and forcing closures across multiple counties. Emergency crews are working tirelessly, pulling cars from drifts and trying to clear the way for stranded residents. Snowfall rates are intensifying, with some areas seeing 3 to 5 inches per hour. Highways are quickly vanishing beneath the snow, leaving drivers stranded and entire communities isolated. Visibility has dropped to nearly zero in many locations, making travel nearly impossible.